Hey guys, Mathias TGM here. It's 10:12. Oh gosh. 10:12 in the morning. And I just got my stuff out. That's my tripod. Or now. It's not even close to a tripod, but I'm just gonna set you on there to kind of raise it up. So I'm gonna do a cold start video. Like I said, what is it? Oh, that should be up. Because it's off. It's up. Actually, forget. But yeah, I just got all the stuff out. Haven't started anything. So it's pretty early. I just restrung the weed whip. So good. So last night I was going down. I filled everything up, like the blower. Blower tank. Let's go over. The blower tank is all the way up to the lid. This is leaking out because it's not a good tank. It's still filled up. And this one, it shouldn't be that filled up because it probably evaporated a little bit. Yeah, not evaporated, but still. I loaded everything up, gassed everything up. I go down to cut the yard. The lady sitting out on the porch, she says it's already been cut. Her grandson cut it, and that's like the third time that she's done that to me. So guess what I did? I left, and her yard looks horrible now. I don't care. I'm not doing her yard anymore. I don't care. So annoying. So let's get on to starting these suckers up. So I'll start with the blower, go to the weed whip, and then go to the mower. So yeah. Alright, so my camera just fell. That's amazing. Okay, here's the blower startup. This is a Husqvarna 150 BT X Torque. So yeah. Let's see this. Time it 3 times. Choke it. This is a cold start because I am touching the muffler right now. Or that's ready. Here you go. 2 pulls. That was the blower, and that took 2 pulls. I primed it 3 times, choked it, and it started on 3 pulls. Now for the weed whip. This usually starts on 1 if you're lucky. I'll do that today since I'm recording. I'm a little bit of here. Get this camera set. It would stop falling over like you do this. Be right back. Alright, so I got it set up. Yep, you can see it. Let's start up the weed whip. This is a Troy-Bilt TB475SS. It's a 4-cycle and it's pretty old. I'll make sure that's sit down. Prime it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Choke it. Pulls. Fix the mower? Sure, why not? So that was 4 pools. Blower was 2 pools. Let's get my tripod to block the thing. Now let's go for the mower. This is probably gonna be the best. I don't even have to pull it. That's the only fun part. I don't even have to pull it. Sometimes I do. Okay. It's an electric start, so I might not have to pull it. If it doesn't start it, then I do have to pull it. I tried this 11 times, 10 to 13 times because the pedal ball is kind of broken. That was 12. I don't need to choke it or anything. Just prime. And then let's do this. So that noise at the end, that weird, like, kind of screech noise was lawnmower winding up again, so you can do the electric start. I'll put this brick thing in the back where it came from. So yesterday, when I went down, before I went down, since my weed throws that string really fast, these are just like, they put too much out and then, or it puts too much out. I mean, when I tap it, just like lately, and it puts too much out. Or it's just, my line isn't the best, even though it says best durability. Don't believe that. But anyway, so since it runs out of light, I rigged up my ugly line, my roll, whatever it's called, my container of line. I zip tied it through that hole that it probably hung on the store, and then zip tied it, cut off the zip tie. I think I zip tied it too tight. There's a little space. And then I found some of my dad's old like pruners. And I zip tied the case and then tied these. So if I need to prune anything, and I can cut this, I can prune and cut that. Actually, there's a better pair. I'm actually just gonna keep both. Why not? When you have equipment, why not use it? That works, right? Yeah, thanks for watching. That was cold starts of all my equipment. Except my dad's mower. Let's do that real quick. Alright, so I brought my dad's mower out. The only reason I forgot about this is because I never really use it. There's so much gas this thing. My brother just used it yesterday and he cut like 1/6 of the backyard. Still has gas. And then I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of my yard, I guess, in the next video. Hopefully these will both be going up today. Lost my brother and sister across the street. So this is a Troy Belt 21 cutting deck. I don't know the CC or Honda engine, by the way. I don't know what the horsepower is or the CC, whatever that stands for. But the only thing you gotta do on here is choke it. And then it's first pull. Should I do this? Hey, right here. So just unchoke it there at the end. And this is the first pull start. First pull! because it's not self-propelled. But this is what I started off my business with. Actually, I started out with one of those reel mowers. Let the things spin inside. When I was 8, I got one. Nope, didn't happen. I kicked off my business last year. I had 2 clients, sorry. Forget who though. I just have people now. But yeah, and then, so I started off with that and the blower. That was in our garage. My grandpa and I fixed it. We got a new carburetor. Yeah, 15 bucks on eBay. Compared to another website, 45. So this mower, my dad, it's been pretty good to me. Everybody else, that's my dad's also, but I use it most of the time. So yeah, we put a new carburetor, gas lines, and that's pretty much it. Oh, some new string on that, and got it up and running. It runs good. And then last year, my dad brought home this lawnmower for me from somebody he works with. He got one of those Toro 30-inch Time Masters, and he had no use for this. I like it. Self-propelled, that's always easy. The transmission is really strong too. So yeah, see you on the next video. Thanks for watching those for cold starts, and see ya.